Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play missed call on guitar without a capo. We'll start by mastering 3 essential open chords, A, B minor, and D. It's crucial to have your guitar tuned to standard E, a D, G, B, E for the correct sound. This song is in the key of D, so these chords fit perfectly and will be used throughout the entire piece. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A versatile pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up. You can also add muted strums by lightly resting your palm on the strings for a percussive effect. Start practicing this at a comfortable pace, aiming for around 76 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you get more comfortable. Now, let's put the chords into action with the main progression. The entire song primarily uses a simple, repeating sequence of a B minor, and D. You'll play this 3-chord progression for both the verses and the choruses. A good guideline is to cycle through this sequence approximately 4 times for each verse and chorus section of the song. To truly master missed call, focus on smooth and seamless transitions between your A, B minor, and D chords. Practice each chord change individually at a slow tempo, ensuring your fingers land correctly every time. Listening to the original song frequently will help you internalize the rhythm and overall feel, making your playing more authentic and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.